Okay, another film. Back again. I've decided all me moaning is done. Got the Copper Cabana there, I think it's called. Used to be the saloon, then turned into a velour, and now it's the Copo Cabana. Looks a nice bar, but I mean, they're probably gonna have quite a huge reputation to uphold, don't they? Oh, and before I forget, sorry to all the Geordies who wasted a shit ton of money to go to Wembley just to get thrashed by Man United. Probably shouldn't have said that, actually. Probably gonna get murdered by Bob or someone. He loves me, but he's a mad Geordie fan. Loves Newcastle. Beautiful day on the beach, actually. I know it's quiet, but I mean, you got to remember it is like coming on 4:30ish, but still peaceful. Feel a bit more relaxed now, actually. Can't really see shite though, so if I walk into a lamppost or a tree or something, there's your answer why. Coming up is alleyways upside the Tiki beach, and I will just hopefully eventually when we're there just shoot up that alley there, bar right next to Tiki Beach, Banana Bar, funnily enough owned by a fan of mine, and only a smallish bar, so they pop in, like, go have a pint or say hi, like, just try one of these smaller bars there, guys. Quite often they're a dance lot better than the bigger bars, to be honest. And on about Tiki, it's gone quiet now. Jesus. Oh, shite. My battery's dying. So maybe this'll be a short one. So I'll just get myself by Cayman Beach. Show you how quiet that is compared to Tiki. Hardly anyone in tow. And I will love and leave you here, actually, because my phone's dying. So thanks for watching. Smash that like. Adios.